Welcome to today's video. Now in this video I'm going to share with you a method for making money online and from home which is absolutely free. You don't need skills, you don't need any experience, and you can make some pretty decent money with this. And as always, I'm going to walk you through this whole method step by step. And as I've mentioned, there's a lot of methods you can use to make money with AI technology. Now this one is one of the better ones because over time this can actually generate you a passive income. Okay, so we're going to be creating online digital assets using free tools and resources. So let's dive into it and I'll walk you through the whole concept step by step. And look, if you do find the video useful, please give it a like, and if you've got any questions, leave them down below. So let's dive in the laptop and we'll literally go through it. Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at making money with AI, and there are a number of methods for this, and believe it or not, this can cover anything from Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, eBay, blogging. There's loads and different ways that you could do this. But in today's video I'm going to share with you a pretty straightforward method for making money online and from home. And if you want free resources, you can go over to my website and check out the members area. And if you want to take things a step further, you can check out the university, whereby we share all the modern day methods for making money online. It comes with full training. It also includes a community and lots more. So you can see in here we have lots of things we share inside of here. Well, let's jump into this video today, okay? So we are going to make money with AI technology. Now, the one I use and recommend is this one over here, and it's called Jasper. Now, I will put a link to this down below for you because guess what? This is free to get started with. So this is not going to cost you anything other than a little bit of time to get this method up and running. So using the link down below, it will take you over to this page here, and you can see this is a special free trial offer whereby you can get 10,000 words using this artificial intelligence. And honestly, it's amazing how good this whole thing is. And you can see on here there's lots of different ways we can use this software, okay? But let me show you inside of it and how we're going to make money. So in here we have all of these templates. We've got social media, we've got email marketing affiliate marketing frameworks, we've got email, website, blog, ads, etc. Right? There's lots inside of here, okay? Now, what I'm going to share with you today is this one over here, which is a one-shot blog post. Now, this is awesome. So, first of all, we are going to create some content for a product. We need to find an affiliate product, okay? So, we can come onto a platform like Click, and you can use any affiliate network, okay? But it doesn't matter what category or what niche we're going to go into. So, on the left-hand side, we've got all these categories. But let's just click on top offers and find something, that we haven't looked at before. So let's come down here. ProDentin, what is this? A monster in the dental niche. We can see it's $133 recurring average conversion, with a decent gravity score. So this is pretty good. Let's have a look at the sales page really quickly. Let's see what this product is all about. So what is this? Brand new probiotics specially designed for the health of your teeth and gums. Awesome. Okay, we can do this. We can use this. There's lots in here. So this is the sales page. It looks good. These are the prices for customers. Comes with a money back guarantee. How and why does this work? Okay. So if we were for this, okay, we would need content. Now, when it comes to a website, you have a number of options. You can go with a paid one, but what I recommend you do when you're first starting out is just get a free website. So if I come over here and we just type in free websites. There's hundreds of these, by the way. You could go with any one of these. You could go with Weebly, you could go with Wix, you could go with Yola, you could even go with something like Google. Because believe it or not, Google have their own website. So let's just go on Google website, free. And we're going to scroll down here, look, sites.google. So you can come over here and create a completely free website inside of here. Now, to do this, all we do is we click on blank, like so, and you can start this literally from scratch, or you can use templates. So let me click on, you can now add icon. Okay, I've got this. Okay, so we're going to create a website inside of Google, which is completely for free, using this piece of software over here, this Jasper. Okay, so first of all, we found an affiliate product, which is this one over here. So to get our affiliate link, we would click on promote and we'll click on hop link. There is our affiliate link. Okay, so now anybody we send over to that link we can earn an affiliate commission. Straightforward and simple. Now, let's move on to this. So we know that this product is all about the health and teeth of your gums, okay? So we need to come up with some different content around this. So health of your teeth and gums. So let's take that. I'm going to come back over here into the software. So what is our blog topic? So I'm going to put in here, I'm going to type in let's go with 4 easy ways to maintain the health of your teeth and gums. I want this on a copywriter. Who is our intended target audience? So, people who are interested in looking after their teeth. And I'm just doing this really quickly, okay? Now down here, you've got a couple of options. So if you put this up to 2, this is where it eats into your free credit. So you remember over here where I said if you use the link down below, you will get this here where you get 10,000 words for free. So in here, I'd leave this on 1 to start with, okay? So I'm just going to put this on 1, and then I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. And now what's happening is the AI technology is working away in the background, and it's going to create this one piece of content for me around this topic up here that we've put in, okay? Now, how I would do this, if I was, wanting to promote this product over on ClickBank, I would literally, I'd create as many articles as I could around this, okay? So, we've got all this over here. So, first of all, let's now go over to our website. So, I'm going to take this up here, right? Easy ways to maintain the health of your teeth and gums. I'm going to copy that to start with. I'll come back over here. So, this is our page, and we've got pages over here. So we've got a home page, so this is our home page, okay? So I'm going to give that a title. That is my title. Easy ways to maintain the health of your teeth and gums. Straightforward. Let's click on insert. So now we want some text. So let me drag this down here. Let me scroll down a bit. Oh no, I want some content blocks first, don't we? Let's go with that. That looks pretty cool. So we've got a content block. So in our content block here, I can add an image and I can put text in here. So, and then we've got text down here. So let me come back over here to here. And I'm going to copy that. So that's my blog introduction. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. And I'm going to paste that into here. Okay. Looks good, doesn't it? Pretty straightforward, I think we can agree. Now over here. So this here would be our title of our article. So 4 easy ways to maintain your health and gums. Copy that. Come back over here. That is the title of this article, like so. And then obviously we can put a picture in here. So let's go over here to here and let's see if we can find a nice picture that we can use for here. So let's scroll down a bit further. We've got any images on here? No, we haven't. So I need an image that I can put in here. So what could we do? Well, literally, I'll go into Google Images and grab one. So if I come back over here, and I'm going to click on here, health of your teeth and gums. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over to Google and I'm going to paste that into here like so. Hit on enter. Then I'm going to click on images. And then I'm just going to come over to where it says tools. And then I'm going to go to usage rights and click on Creative Commons, which means I can go ahead and use these. So there are no matches for this. Okay, so now I'm just going to type in healthy smile. So now this is on usage rights, Creative Commons, and you can see on here we've got lots of images here. Now the other thing as well is, right, I could go onto a free stock website and just get some as well. Okay, so let's just go with this image over here. Now I'm just going to right click and save this image as the same title as my article. Okay, health of your teeth and gums, and I'm going to click on save. And I'm going to come in here, click on add, upload, and I'm going to upload that image that I have just saved on here. So health, where's it gone? Health of your teeth and gums. So I think we can agree so far, this is straightforward and simple, isn't it? It's not difficult what we've done so far. We've created a page, we've given it a title, we've got our image, and we've got some text in here. So now we need to include, obviously, some text. So we'll come up here, I'm going to double click on text box, and we've got click to edit, okay? So, up here, we now need to put the content in here for the article. So if we come back over to Jasper, over here, sorry, I'm going to click on here. So we've included our introduction. So we've got here number 1, like so. So I'm going to copy that and go back over here to the website. I'm going to paste that in there. Then I'm going to come down here to this text box here and put in article number 2. Let me move this over. Put in number 2, like so. And then we'll go to box number 3. And as you can see here, right, this process isn't difficult by any stretch of the imagination. And obviously, you'll get a lot quicker at this once you get this up and running. So you'd go through and you'd put in your stuff in here. Now, in the bottom bit down here, whereby we have a conclusion, I'll copy that, like so. I'm going to go back over to my article, over here, and I'm going to put in another text box, and I'm going to move this down, like so, down here. Paste that into here. That's my conclusion. Okay, so this is the article. Now in here, in the conclusion, we want to be encouraging people to click the link to go over to the product over on ClickBank. So we can see on here, look, taking care of your teeth and gums doesn't have to be difficult. Just remember to eat. And then inside of here, this is whereby we're including our call to action. Okay, so if we go back over here, let's go and say we recommend something like this. We go back over here into here. We highly recommend, and I'm just going to paste that text from in there. So we highly recommend. Take this over here. We highly recommend a probiotic specially designed for the health of your teeth, and comes some call of action down here. And all you do here is you can say get it here, or check it out here, or anything like that. But basically, this is where we need to be including our affiliate link. So if I now copy that, this opens up here, and you want to look for here where it says insert link. We click on that, and we put our affiliate link in there. So you remember over on ClickBank here, we had got this affiliate link down here. We click generate hop link, and it comes down here. Now I copy that, then I go back over here, like so, and I paste that into here. And we click on apply. And now you can see it's gone bold. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. Now there's lots more you can do on here. If you want to make the text bigger, like so, we can change the font size like this. And you can go through and change this. You can also add in other images inside of this article, and you can do, basically you can do as much or as little as you like, okay? But we've come up here and we need to give this a site name. So we'll type in here, looking after your teeth and gums, like so. Then we click on publish. And we click on publish. And it's publishing this for us. Okay, so look, your site has been published successfully. So now, look, looking after your teeth and gums, there's our article. Scroll down the page here, we've got 4 easy ways to maintain, and then down here we have got our affiliate link. So if I click on there, look, it opens up in a new tab, and it's taking me over to the product on ClickBank with the affiliate link over here. Straightforward, simple, and you can get started with this method completely for free. Now, there are a number of ways how you could drive traffic over to this page over here. You could start learning about search engine optimization. You could also go and create a Facebook group around this topic or subjects. You could even go and find people asking questions over on Quora for, you know, the best ways to look after the teeth and look after your gums, and you can direct the traffic over to this page over here. But I think we can agree, in less than what? In less than 13 minutes, we've gone ahead, we've got a website created, we've got an article up on the internet running with our affiliate link in here, and it's literally taken me, you know, not long at all, okay? Now, I'll share one other thing with you when it comes to creating your articles like this. If we was to go ahead and copy this, and we go over onto Google like so, paste that into here, and I'm click on all, because I want articles, bring it up. You see on here, obviously, these articles here are all listed on page 1 of Google, and that's for a number of reasons, but basically they know how to structure their content correctly. They've got, you know, backlinks and other things. But what I would say is, you come on here and you click on the ones, you know, in the first few positions, and we have a look at this. So this here, this is their title. They've got a bit of information. Then this here is a subheading, or title 2. Take care of your teeth. Don't go to bed without brushing your teeth. Brush properly. So all of these here, these are known as LSI keywords. These are different, search terms and different keywords related to the original search term, which is up here, how to keep your teeth healthy. So when Google's bots are, scanning this article, they know that all of this stuff here is equaling the search intent from the original, from the original search engine, from the original search that somebody put into Google. So if I come back over here and just click on the back arrow down here, what you can do is, you see here where it says, how can I keep my teeth and gums healthy? These are other questions that people ask. So you can actually include these in your article. So if I come back over here, so this is our website, okay? So now, conclusion, inside of here, you could also put those questions and answers in here. So what you could do is, you could come over to text blocks, and you could come down here to where it says normal text. You could put this as a subheading, and you would put in those other questions that people ask. So let me just do this. How can I keep my teeth and gums healthy? Okay. Why didn't it let me do that? So I'd do that, I'd copy that, I'd go back over here and I'd paste that into there. Now obviously I need some text in there, don't I? So what would I do? Well, I'd go over here to Jasper, and I would literally come into this, and what I would do is I would click on, let me go over to here. I need to extend this. So I'd open this in Docs like so, and then I've got more options down here, but on the right hand side this is my article. So now if I paste that in here, how can I keep my teeth and gums healthy, and I click down, and then I just click on compose, again the software will do this for me. So look, and it's doing that. So then I could take this over here, and then I could just go back into my article, and I could paste that text into here. Oh sorry, why is that not going in? Let me paste that, paste as plain text. There we go. So now that's going in there, and then again I'd just go over to Google and I'd find other questions that people are asking related to the original search term. So look, that's today's video. That's one method that you can use for making money with AI technology. You could even take this a step further, and you could create PDF books and upload them onto different sites with your affiliate link embedded. But as you've seen, it's not difficult by any stretch of the imagination. So look, links to everything are down below for you. If you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.